Oh wow.
Wow, that's a lot of money. So if I can make that money and store it up for what's that guy like
Goku.
go so I can go ahead and put my spot. You know, I'm there.
Yeah. Little baby noises she be making. So cute. I just can't get over. Hey. I was like, I don't want to use syrup.
Your mama didn't give you. You probably might have shoved it in there. You might have to shove
I love talking. What happened? She was doing her head back again.
it. Yeah.
I take you seriously.
But you did the same thing. But why? Why did you do it? I feel like you did it intentionally.
Sometimes it was, but it's just like
You got your daddy's eyes. Oh yeah. Things that they like to do. Yeah. I want to get you some. Let's see. That would be kind of silly. Oh yeah. It's I think it's from I sing it all the time, so it just reminds me of it.
She was whacking that thing.
She actually ripped that thing off and was putting it in her mouth.
Wait, seriously?
I kid you not.
Oh my gosh. I would love to see that. I'm like, hi girl. We see you. We see you. Yeah. I'm gonna cook 2 or 4.
Let's see, I mean, I have to know.
I'm gonna cook 2 or 4.